welcome again to querypanel.com. This is your host Syed Sharik. Now I will discuss how to add backup repository to Veeam. How can we attach any infrastructure backup point in Veeam backup and replication. So guys, you are aware about backup repository. Backup repository is a thing which you can store your backup in internally or external on premises or on cloud. You can add a backup repository to Veeam. So in this session, I will add my own premises backup repository, which will be in which will add in different server, not in the same server. So I will use here hybrid backup solution external drive. So I will use here QNAP server. I will add backup repository in my QNAP server. So guys, you need to click on backup repository. There will be an option. Once you will click on backup infrastructure, there will be an option, as you can check over here. Once you will click on home, there will be option in third home inventory after backup infrastructure. So I need to backup infrastructure, and we before backup infrastructure we need a backup repository where we will going to store my backup. So we need any kind of backup point. So I need for this reason we need to create backup repository. So guys, once you will click on backup repository, there will be option add repository. So you just need to click on add repository. Once you will click on add repository, add repository, there will be option network. There will multiple option will be appear. So guys, before adding, as I thought you have clear why we are looking for backup repository, why we are not using backup repository in the same Veeam replication and backup and replication server. Because if anything happened to my Veeam backup and replication server, we are not able to take a backup. So that's the reason I will use my next backup not on the same Beam backup solution. We will use different server. We will use on-premises different server, or we can use also cloud services. So guys, I will use my network attached storage services. So just you need to click on network attached storage. Once guys you will click on next network storage, there will be option SMB. There will be multi network array storage, which kind of storage you are using to take to create a repository. So I will use SMB. So guys, I will use my SMB share. So I need to CIFS backup solution. I will create CIFS repository type kind of SMB, which SMB is which is CIFS. So once you will click on SMB share, you just need to click, or you just need to type the name. You just need to assign the name. What is the backup repository name? So I am here when mentioning vSphere 7 complete Zimbabwe backup. So once I have typed my repository backup repository name, assign the name, just need to click next. Once you will click next, there will be an option which server you want to add. So there, as you can check here, over here, SMB is multiple kind of SMB over here. So it's a QNAP 2, QNAP 3. So which is beneficial to you, which is having a very much data storage, you can select as according to you. You have said, so I am selecting over here QNAP 3. So once I will click on QNAP 3, just click OK and click to next. Once you will click to next, you need to select storage. Which storage you are selecting? Inside the hybrid solution, external hybrid solution in network device, which is SMB CIF share. You just need to select on the storage directory. So I have selected my storage directory. As you can check over here, I have mentioned vSphere 7 backup. and click to OK. Once you will click to OK, there will be a path will be over here. As you can check over here, QNAP backup file with pair 7. So this is the my repository path, which where I have attached Veeam backup and replication repository. If we are taking backup, there will be a option. There will be data backup will be stored. So so that's the backup reverse location. As you can, as you already spoke to you about this. This is the capacity which I am having currently having. So a free space I am having this. You just need to click next. Once you need to click next, there will be option next. Once you will click next, which backup mount server, which is my current server will be your default Veeam, and the next to server where will be mount my it will be mount to my it will be mount to my current server, and it will be attached to next my infrastructure server, the own premises infrastructure server. Once you need to after next this you need to review and click apply and click to next. As you can check over here, infrastructure item is process discovering installation, and this is the all repository backup repository has been added successfully. So backup repository is created successfully. So backup repository created successfully. So what you will do next, you just need to click finish, and you can check over here. This is the your currently added backup repository which I am having here. Just change the config. What will be the pop-up is coming? Change the configuration backup location. Yes, I need to create a new backup report. Just click to yes. I need to apply. Yes. Once you will click to yes, you will attach newly created backup repository. So guys, this is the method to create repository backup repository in and Win backup and replication. Guys, if you are having any kind of doubts in why we are looking for backup repository, why do we create backup repository, what is the purpose of anything, well, you can just ping me on my YouTube channel. You just comment me my YouTube channel. You can also comment on my query panel blog, IT blog. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.